Namaste. Welcome to your practice. The light word today is trustworthy. Begin in 8-pointed posture with head over heart, heart over pelvis. Take a scan of your body and mind. Trustworthy. Bring the palms together in front of you. Begin to rub them together, creating friction and heat. Generate your bodhicitta, universal compassion, the wish to end suffering for all sentient beings. Offer it forward 3 times on the sharp exhale. Good. When we give out, we must be willing to receive. Bring it into the heart 3 times. And let that go. We'll meet in a seated position with the soles of the feet together. Interlace the hands around the outer edges of the feet. Breathing the belly towards the soles of the feet. Find a fixed gaze. Breathing trustworthy. Good. Now let that go. And we'll bring the legs, same positioning, a little further out in front. So the legs are forming a diamond shape. From here, we begin with the sits bones and rainbow the spine vertebra by vertebra. Heart towards the feet. One arm under the leg, other arm under the leg. Crown of the head towards the feet. Breathe the spine long. The inhales, energetic length. The exhales, soften, let go. We'll be here for several breaths. You got this. Slowly begin to unwind one arm and then the other arm. Hands to the earth, begin to roll the spine up vertebra by vertebra. Crown of the head comes up last. Once you arrive, observe. Observe the breath. Allow the spine to reverberate. Notice any thoughts that may be going through your head. And let that go. We'll meet on our back. Bring the knees in towards the chest and begin to massage the lower back by making little circles along the ceiling. Reverse your direction. Find stillness. Hands interlace around the right shin. Flex through the feet. Left leg extends, nose to the knee. Janu Shirshasana. Breathe. Switch. Left knee draws in. Sole of the right foot extends out and away from you. Nose to knee. Janu Shirshasana, side 2. And let that go. Arms to a T, root through the palms, root through the shoulders. The shoulders is the root of this next posture, so keep them glued. Knees reach and draw to the left side. Gaze option. If it feels good in the neck today, bring your gaze to your right fingertips. As if we're wringing out the organs, the top hip is going to press forward. Release out of the posture by first bringing the gaze to center and then the feet to center. Knees draw towards the chest and over to the right side. Optional gaze to the left side of the room. Exhale completely. Inhale fully. Let that go. We're bringing first the gaze to the center and then the feet to the center. Knees to the chest, shoulders stand, anchoring through the outer edge of the upper arm. Little weight in the neck. Feet point and reach the ceiling. Gaze is slightly up with a slight tuck at the chin. Gaze is towards the toes. Trustworthy. And your next out breath, roll down, let that go. Shavasana. I'm going to be calling off points of the body. It's not necessary to move these points. Just bring your awareness to the points of the body that I call. At this time, I invite you to make any last fidgets or adjustments to your posture, so this time is completely present with your inner world and the practice you've cultivated today with this session. Allow the body to grow heavy, face soft. Left hand thumb, first finger, left second finger, left third finger, fourth finger, left pinky, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, left side of the waist, left hip, left leg, left ankle, left foot, sole of the left foot, left big toe, left second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, ring finger, right ring pinky finger, right wrist, right forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the waist, right hip, right leg, right ankle, right foot, sole of the right foot, right big toe, right second toe, third toe, fourth toe, pinky toe. Crown of the head, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, eyebrow center, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, right side of the nose, left side of the nose, tip of the nose, upper lip, right cheek, left cheek, lip, chin, jaw, throat, upper chest, navel center, lower belly, hips, legs, feet together, back of the legs, buttocks, lower back, mid back, upper back, shoulders together, back of the head, right ear, left ear. You are loved. You are enough. I am free from the self in me. country here in community. The vision is infinitely compassionate love. Gently begin to call awareness back to the body by rubbing the thumb across the fingertips, rolling the wrists, pointing through the toes, full body stretch, hands overhead, bring the knees in towards you. Take a moment here. Acknowledge where you are. Trustworthy. Knees roll to the right side of the mat. Optional gratitude list of 3 things you have in your life to be grateful for in this moment. When you're ready, press up. We'll seal in practice. Palms to heart center. Acknowledge your work, your efforts, and all the teachers before us that made this moment possible. The light in me honors and sees the light in you, where the entire universe dwells. Namaste. Shanti, 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 Shanti.